It's the letter Q. Q makes the sound Q.
Now let's see what makes the sound T.
Yes, open it.
This is letter T. Now let's put it on the board.
Let's see what makes the sound P. P makes the sound P. Now let's put it on the board.
Let's see what makes the sound E. I make a sound E. Put it in the board.
Now let's see what makes the sound V. V makes the sound V. Now let's put it on the board.
Now let's see what makes the sound B. B makes the sound B. Boing.
Now let's see what makes the sound K. K makes the sound K. Now let's put it on the board.
Now let's see what makes the sound D. D makes the sound D.
Now let's see what makes the sound F makes the sound. Now let's put it on the board.
Let's see what makes the sound J. J makes the sound J. That one. Like that.
Now let's see what makes the sound W.
What does make whoa?
W makes the sound W. Now let's put it on the board.
Let's see what makes the sound S. S makes the sound S. Now let's put it on the board. Up here. Okay. Blue, blue.
Now let's see what makes the sound U makes the sound
Let's see what makes the sound K. C makes the sound K.
Now let's see what makes the sound Y. This makes the Y makes the sound Y. Now let's put it on the board.
Let's see what makes the sound N make the sound Wait. Oh, see. Oh, there we go.
Now let's see what makes the sound X. X makes the sound X.
Let's see what makes the sound H make the sound H.
Now let's see what makes the sound A.
I think L.
A makes the sound A.
Let's see what makes the sound O. L make the sound O.
Now let's see what the sound ah. O makes the sound ah.
Now let's see what makes the sound Z. Z makes the sound Z. Let's see what makes the sound R. R makes the sound R. Let's see what makes the sound E. E makes the sound E. Let's see what makes the sound M. N makes the sound M. Let's see what makes the sound G.
Oh, like this. She did like this. This bracelet. The bracelet. Okay.
G makes the sound G.